Hey everyone, welcome to Boom and Bigz TV. This is a tour of Freeport Grand Bahama cruise port. In this video, I will be sharing with you everything you can expect to see when you walk off the cruise ship in Freeport. There are plenty of souvenir shops, bars such as Dick and Willie's, Sharky's, and Senior Frogs, live music, and food. If that's your scene, you're into walking around, shopping, having a few drinks, you might be content with this port. It is a very industrial area, so even though there are palm trees and island music playing, it really just doesn't cut it for me personally. I would highly recommend having a short excursion or activity planned outside of the port. Maybe relax at the beach, snorkel, kayak, or explore the Lucayan National Park and cave. That's actually the excursion that we had planned, but it was a rainy day, so we didn't end up doing it. We ended up just walking around the port, getting a little bit of footage, and we were actually back on the ship within 30 minutes. So you might want to take a look at what your options are for the day. But for this video, I'm just going to show you the rest of what you can expect to see right in the cruise port area. I hope you enjoyed the video or found it helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching.